there. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to put up a new wall graphic. All you need are a few simple tools to cut and trim, and then you have to start by cleaning your wall. Soap and water is the best. Once you've created your design, simply send it to your printer and let it do its work. Once printed, you need to make sure you trim evenly, and then you're ready to begin. Start by trimming or pulling off one section of the corner, and then fold back the release liner to allow you to properly place your graphic. Once you get it up onto the wall, start in one corner or the top of your graphic and press well. Then it gets a little bit dicey here, but very easy to do. Just make sure that you actually can grab the release liner while still holding the graphics to the wall. Gently pull the release liner back as you are smoothing the graphics along to the wall. Because this is an adhesive back fabric, the fabric actually breathes. So if you get a bubble, don't worry, just simply press it out with your hand to the best of your ability. The goal is to release the whole paper with as few bubbles as possible, but again, don't worry about those bubbles. Once your graphic is up, you can reposition things. You can pull it back to where your bubbles begin, and then using a tool, you can release the bubbles and push the graphics onto the wall. I have a proper tool here, but you can use something very simple like a spatula or just your hand. But the idea is to push out all of the air out towards the outside and get your graphics onto the wall. Very simple. These graphics are a great way to change the view in your office or a room. Great things to do for your kids' rooms or corporate office facilities. Super simple and pretty much cool. This media geek is happy.